The JF-17 Thandon is a combat aircraft developed through a joint venture between Pakistan Aeronautical Complex (PAC) and China's Chengdu Aircraft Corporation (CAC). Designed to meet the needs of the Pakistan Air Force (PF), it combines affordability with advanced capabilities, making it an attractive option for many air forces around the world. This fighter jet is a prime example of modern aerospace engineering, balancing performance, versatility, and starting with its exterior, the JF-17 Thandon is designed for both speed and agility. The aircraft's sharp nose cone houses its radar system, and its sleek fuselage is shaped for optimal aerodynamic efficiency. The wing design, featuring a cropped delta configuration, allows the aircraft to perform sharp turns and maintain stability at high speeds. The aircraft's twin vertical stabilizers are slightly canted outward, offering better control during maneuvers and combat scenarios. The air intake beneath the fuselage efficiently supplies air to the RD-93 turbofan engine, providing the necessary power for various combat roles. Typically, the JF-17 is painted in a grey camouflage scheme, reflecting its stealthy appearance and tactical function. The design also makes it relatively easy to maintain, with accessible panels and systems for quick repairs and servicing. The JF-17 is powered by the RD-93 engine, which provides a maximum speed of Mach 1.6. This speed is more than sufficient for a variety of roles, from air superiority to ground attack missions. The aircraft has a combat radius of approximately 1,350 km, aided by its external fuel tanks. It can reach a service ceiling of 55,500 feet, which is comparable to other fighters. The JF-17 ratio allows for rapid acceleration and efficient handling, making it an effective platform for both dogfighting and precision strike missions. Its 7 external hardpoints allow for a wide range of weapons, including missiles like the PL-5 and SD-10, as well as bombs and rockets for ground attack missions. Additionally, the aircraft carries a 30mm cannon, which is useful for engagements. The JF-17 is also compatible with modern targeting and electronic warfare parts, enhancing its effectiveness in both combat and reconnaissance missions. Inside the cockpit, the JF-17 offers a modern, glass cockpit that improves situational awareness and reduces pilot workload. The cockpit features 3 displays, which show critical information such as radar data, navigation, and weapon status. This is complemented by a display HUD, which allows the pilot to keep their eyes on the target while accessing flight data. The cockpit is designed to follow the throttle and stick (HOTAS) concept, meaning the pilot can control key systems without